Hello everyone, my name is Toyosi Ogumbowale. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to top up your ad balance using your profit. Yes, we are reinvesting profits today. Okay, so here is what you're going to do. Once you sign in to your account, you see your dashboard. You just need to scroll down. Okay, when you scroll down, come here to where you see the tab that says top up. Click on it. Okay, when you click on it, you indicate exactly how much of your ad balance, how much of your profits do you want to reinvest. Okay, so here I'm just going to put in $200. Now you would see here where you are asked to select a method. Okay, after inputting how much you want to put back from your profit, you just come here and select a method. You see above here it's saying use cashback. You click on it. Okay, when you click on it, can you see that it's telling me exactly how much I put in here? I could choose to even put in everything I have available in my profit. Okay, and then pay it. You just click on pay here, and that's it. Replenishments completely successful. So we're expecting more money, okay, from our beloved robot. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel, and come back for some more goodies here. Okay, now if you are yet to sign up with AI marketing, I'm going to leave you a link below so that you can sign up and also begin to have this robot work for you. Take care of yourself. Thanks for listening. Bye.